Hi garden friends. Well, today I'm planting my Sarcococca or Sweetbox plants. Now these are evergreen shrubs. They get about 3 feet tall and 5 feet wide. They also get small fragrant white flowers on them, and they get black berries for the birds. So today I'm going to plant 3 of them, and I've already dug this one hole. And as you can see here, you want to make sure that the soil line from your plant meets up with the soil line of your garden bed. So that's one thing that you need to remember. Now, I've dug this hole, and I'm just going to excavate it a little bit more, and on we go. So this is the correct height here, and as you can see, the hole is wider than this pot. So it's going to help the roots to spread out a little more easily once it gets going. Now you just want to make sure that the roots aren't root bound, and these aren't. And what that means is that the roots would be cramped in the pot. And these are this looks good here. And just tamp it down. And there we go. 1 down and 2 more to go. I have fairly good soil here because I've composted it and mulched it for probably about the last 10 or 15 years. Well, actually, ever since 2008. So whatever that works out to be. So it's pretty good, but I still want to make sure that I don't get the plant too deep, and I want to have the circumference of the hole wider than the pot. You can simply mix the compost with the fertilizer and mix it around a little bit when you're planting your shrub, trees, perennials, or annuals. Again, you want to make sure you check the roots, and these look fabulous. They've done a great job with potting these up. These smell so good. Well, there they are, snug as a bug in a rug. They're all watered in, and back here where my spirea are, there's another one there and there. Looks like they're leafing out as well. I've also got my beautiful hellebores here, and some daffodils that are popping up. And once the spring has really arrived, I will be sprucing this up a little bit more. So spring is definitely right around the corner. Not too bad. Well, I hope that gives you some inspiration for your own garden today. And I hope you're having a great gardening day. I'll catch you in the next one.